Today, we look at Velma Barfield, one of the most infamous female serial killers in American history. Many still ask, where is Velma Barfield now? Let's break it down. Velma Barfield was born on the 29th of October, 1932, in South Carolina and raised in North Carolina. Behind her soft-spoken, grandmotherly appearance was a deadly secret. Velma poisoned multiple people close to her using arsenic. Her known victims include her boyfriend Stuart Taylor, and she later confessed to several more murders, including family members she was caring for. She was convicted of one murder, but investigators strongly believed she committed at least 6. In 1978, Velma was arrested and charged after an autopsy revealed arsenic poisoning. She was convicted in 1979 and sentenced to death. During her time on death row, she became a born-again Christian and often ministered to other inmates, which earned national media attention. Despite appeals, petitions, and pleas for clemency, including from religious groups, her sentence stood. Where is Velma Barfield now? Velma Barfield is no longer alive. She was executed by lethal injection on the 2nd of November 1984 at Central Prison in Raleigh, North Carolina. She was the first woman executed in the United States after the reinstatement of the death penalty in 1976, and the first woman executed in the U.S. in more than 20 years. Her body was buried in North Carolina after her execution. So, where is Velma Barfield now? She was executed decades ago, but her story continues to shape discussions about female serial killers, mental health, religion, and the death penalty. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more deep dives into the lives, crimes, and legacies of the world's most unforgettable figures.